Victor Villachow is starting on white, Jeff Knoll on green, Troy Dobson orange, Gary Worden blue, Jim Wood yellow. We are starting our Pro Series Group C race. So here we go. Hey, Victor, why don't you turn that off while we're racing? No, don't wait. Go ahead and do it now. I wouldn't wait. I clicked the one you told me. We'll help them for next time. Troy, is that you running with me? I didn't know you were that slow. Thought it was I'd be the last one. Well, both of our cars are slow. There they go. I got to spend some time on this one. Heat over. Victor Villachow is your leader with 22 laps. Jeff Knoll, second place, 22. Troy Dobson and Jim Wood are fighting it out with 21 laps each, and Gary Worden, 18. Fast laps, Victor Villachow, 5.333. Jeff Knoll, a 5.336. Troy Dobson, a 5.610, and Jim Wood, a 5.650. Gary Worden, a 6.0. We'll go to... Well, I'm so far behind, I figure I'm going to pick at you.
You know, you make everybody else just feel great, Jeff. You're so far behind, and I'm still racing with you, so thanks, buddy. Pick him up,
He's racing with me, I can tell you that.
Try to beat him fair and square. I noticed.
Jeff just blows my doors in. I passed somebody and it wasn't Troy. Yes, sir.
Okay, just make sure I'm way by you.
Yeah, you should have beeped the horn where I knew who it was.
I'm on red, good look.
Well, what y'all need to do is y'all need to tune up Gary and Troy in my car so y'all have somebody to run with.
I got you.
Don't y'all get lonely at the top? Heat over. All right, Victor Villachow still your leader with Jeff Knoll right behind at 43.43. Troy Dobson and Jim Wood at 42.42. Gary Worden with 38. Gary's car's not broken. Jim and Troy's cars aren't broken, and they're just not performing. But we're going to get them there. Victor Villachild ran a 5.528 on red, which is the hardest lane. Jeff Knoll a 5.317 on blue. Troy Dobson a 5.725 on white, which is a hard lane. Jim Wood a 5.612 on easy lane. Gary Worden a 5.840. Need a little more brake there.
A lot more brake.
There goes Jeff again. There goes, oh good, thank you. Now he's going to have to come back and do it all over again.
Nothing bad about Jeff over there?
Yeah, man.
Knock him down again?
I didn't touch him.
I know, but you're there. Hope it does it again.
No, I say he's got to come all the way back and catch me again. It won't be a problem for him.
Somebody just... Yellow flag.
In my lane. Okay. Jeff, you're running too light. Disqualified for running underweight. Here we go.
So those guys do it in 2 seconds. I mean, it's no fuel, but fuel is fast. Go. Hey, you might want to take my car out.
Well, I got plenty of time to look at it. You mean change the oil while it's over here? There you go, buy me again. Well, there goes Jeff passing me again. Huh?
I said that little wreck there.
Yeah, they all do. They all do. All right, Victor Villachild is sole leader with 66 laps. Jeff Knoll fell behind by 2 at 64. Jim Woods in third place with 63. Troy Dobson on his donkey with 62. Gary Worden at 58. Jim is moving to red, which is a hard lane. Troy Dobson's coming off of red, going to a faster lane, so Troy is liable to pick up that lap back on Jim. So Jeff is on purple, so he's going to run the next 2 lanes pretty fast, and he might get something back on Victor Villachild. We'll just have to wait and see. And he let me back by him. There goes the wad. Jim and Troy are doing battle. I think he might have got me for the final time. I'm going to dog him, keep the pressure up.
1 minute left.
See mine stumble? I got a little too aggressive on the donut.
Rest your voice.
Are you trying to tune me out?
Yes, sir.
Pulling away from me.
20 seconds left. 10 seconds left.
There goes Village Child going around me again.
5 seconds left.
Heat over. Mr. Village Child, your leader with 88 laps. Jeff Knoll, second place with 86. Jim Wood in third place with 84. Troy Dobson on his donkey with 83. Troy just got past me, so he's less than a lap behind. Gary Worden at 77. Laps at heat. Victor Villchild, Jeff Knoll each 22. Jim Wood, Troy Dobson 21. Gary Worden 19. Fast lap, Victor Villchild 5.295. Jeff Knoll a 5.357. Troy Dobson a 5.632. Jim Wood a 5.712. And Gary Worden a 5.864. There goes Jeff and Victor. Oh, good, under the bridge. All right, Victor Villchild 111, Jeff Knoll 108, Jim Wood 105, Troy Dobson 104, Gary Wildman Worden with 95. Laps that segment, Victor Villchild 23, Jeff Knoll 22, Jim Wood and Troy Dobson 21, Gary Worden 18 with a new car. Fast laps, Victor Villchild 5.200, Jeff Knoll a 5.275, Troy Dobson a 5.566, Jim Wood a 5.661, and Gary a 6.013. Heats that lap, Victor 23, Jeff Knoll 22, and Jim Wood and Troy 21 each. You gonna run mine? See you, Jeff. done an old Budweiser. He got me. I think that ties us up, Troy. Actually puts you in the lead by that much. No, I'm on your donkey, trying to be. Yeah, I'm having a hard time doing it. Okay. Well, all right, well, you drive yours, and while I'll drive yours. Well, if I could get you talking to me, it might help. Troy, you still there?
20 seconds left.
There goes Jeff by me again.
What? 10 seconds left. Yellow flag.
Let me hold on a minute. Let me turn. This.
10 seconds left. 5 seconds left.
Oh no! Hey, it might have worked. It wrecked a couple of them. Sorry.
That's okay, Troy. That's okay.
Man, how much
Troy,
are you paying him?
it's okay.
Is he a free car now or
Here,
something?
here, let me help you.
Hey, I'd never dip it, Jim out, okay, Troy?
All that hard work and I just
Sorry.
took me out.
Thank you, buddy.
It's not half on that.
Oh well. Chow. Still your leader, 132. Jeff Knoll, 131. Jim Wood, 125. Tied with Troy Dobson, 125. Gary Worden, 114. Yeah, his car's faster than mine, I think. Nope. Nope. There he got me. Should have knocked him off. I bobbled. Better not let up, Troy.
10 seconds left. 5 seconds left.
Neither one's gonna make that. Oh, you got the lap and I didn't. You gonna pull your plugs there, sir?
When I get down to it, boss.
Here, let me help you
I
then.
got it.
Villa Chow's your leader, 154. Jeff Knoll, 152. Troy Dobson took third place away from Jim Wood, pried it out of his hands. Jim Wood still crying about that at 146. Gary Worden, 134. Laps that heat. Victor Villa Chow and Troy Dobson each with 22. Jeff Knoll, Jim Wood each with 21, and Gary Worden with 20. Fast laps, Villa Chow with a 5.271, Knoll with a 5.319, Dobson with a 5.525, and Wood with a 5.606. Worden with a 5.930 on red, which is a hard lane, so that's still a good time. Gary's got to go too. Let me grab the car shot real quick. All right, where am I? I'm over here on the end. Got it.
Okay.
Thank you.